Welcome back to the channel, Hobby1 Kenobi here. In today's video, I will be showing you the vehicle now with its paint job and decals applied. The gloss has dried and I will be applying a wash using oil paints and Turpenoid. At the end of the video, I will be removing masks from the windscreen, so stick around. Okay, here I am mixing a dark gray wash. The wash is applied to all surfaces of the vehicle. The colors on the aircraft were all mixed to create a slightly lighter tone. This was done because the dried wash will ultimately darken any overall colors. As is typical for me, I begin with just a few lines, then realize it's best to just go ahead and apply the wash more liberally. Now comes the fun part, removing the wash. The wash has been allowed to dry. The thinness of the wash determines how fast it will dry. More Turpenoid means that the Turpenoid evaporates quickly, while more pigment allows for better coverage of color. As with most things, there is a trade-off. This coat of wash dried in about 20 minutes. You just want to make sure you don't see any shiny patches. If you begin to remove the wash before it is dry, paint will not stay in the crevices. To remove the wash on the upper surfaces, I will use Q-tips, an old brush, and paper towels. The paper towels are great for removing large amounts of excess pigment. The brush is used to spread and distribute the wash, flowing it to gather it really in the tight corners and scribe details. The Q-tips are used to wipe away smaller amounts of wash, allowing for better precision. Be ready, however, to stock up on Q-tip boxes. I like to get mine in bulk from Costco. Finally, a moment I both love and dread, removing the tape used to mask the clear parts of windows. I tend to have good luck with Tamiya tape, but occasionally a small section will not be fully covered or tape has been placed slightly askew. I have found that unwanted paint can generally be easily removed using a very simple tool, a toothpick. The wood of the toothpick is unlikely to scratch any of the plastic. I like to wet the toothpick slightly to add a bit of grip once it finds the paint. Well, that does it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit subscribe. Please share the video. Please feel free to comment. Please hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.